Hey guys, today we're going to be diving into my 1988 right-hand drive Toyota Corolla GTZ Levin, which is now converted to a USDM Trueno. Now, if you are just tuning in for the first time, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this cool car or more information on this type of car, the Ae92 Toyota Corolla. Now, let's go ahead and dive into my project Ae92. Now, as I said, this is my project and I have been working on it for quite a while. When I got it, it was a bare shell. Didn't really have anything, didn't have the engine, didn't have the front end, didn't really even have interior. And well, now it's pretty much grown into a really spectacular, good example of this car. It's not done, obviously, because not all project cars get done as fast as we may want them to. However, this is how far I've gotten with my JDM Corolla. Now, as you can see, as a small port 4AGE stock, these things came with the supercharged 4AGE, and sadly we don't have this here. This is just my naturally aspirated 4AGE small port engine. It has obviously the cool aftermarket strut bar, and right now we're not running a front bumper just yet until we could get one fabricated on. Everything else though, like I said, we put the front end from my other GTS. We have 16-inch wheels in the front and back. I have both exact wheels. However, I just got to get them from my other Corolla. We put an aftermarket spoiler, which is from a Mazda Speed 6. And I'm really loving this color on the car. We're basically going to be keeping it this nice red color. Just want to repaint this entire car the same color as this red right here. Now, with all this that you could visually see, let's show you what we're currently working on and what's going to be done and what has been done on the interior. So right now, what we're currently doing is we're extending the wiring harness, because this is a USDM wiring harness. So I'm going to be having to extend the wires to make it fit with my JDM dash and everything. So I'm basically going to be having to extend the wiring to the cluster, the wiring to the windshield wipers, so everything could fit, because basically everything's obviously in the opposite direction. All my USDM parts aren't going to fit on a JDM part, so I'm going to have to fabricate it to make it work. So once I get all that done, we're going to install the chassis wiring harness so it could fit everything here. I'm going to take out these seats, these NRG seats. Gonna take out the carpet so we could retrofit the wiring in. Should be pretty simple. So yeah, we're just going to be installing all those wirings. Once we got all the wiring set up, we're gonna put back the dash that I have over here, and then the JDM steering wheel as well. So we're gonna put all the interior back together. We should be good on the interior end. Once we get all that fun stuff over there, we just gotta start focusing on the engine bay. So now what I have going on in the engine bay is pretty much finished 4AGE. It's been rebuilt, and I just gotta basically do all the finishing touches to it. I gotta connect all the grounds, gotta connect the entire intake, gotta connect the starter, CV axle, shift cable over there. Gotta make sure all the motor mounts are properly good. I pretty much have them all except for the back one. And yeah, so basically just all the finishing touches in the engine bay, connecting the rear wrapped wiring harness and everything together and everything. We should be pretty much good. The battery has been relocated to the rear. That's what the previous owner did. I might keep that set up, or I might just bring the battery back to the factory location for this. But yeah, and so that's pretty much what we're working on currently. I obviously repainted the engine bay and did a couple cool things to it myself. However, this is just everything that's been going on with this build. I haven't posted about it in a long time, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what I've done to it so far. There's plenty more to come, and now basically the timer's coming in quick. I really gotta get this thing finished, or at least running, so I can be able to move this thing around and do more of what I want to it. But right now, like I said, the goal is to get it running, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you guys want to stay updated, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more on this right-hand drive Ae92 project I have going on. I will be sure to post as much as I can on this beautiful thing. And thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.